Okay, hello letting agents. If you are not using any artificial intelligence within your agency right now, I want to show you something that is super powerful and is really going to help you out. So just watch this for a second, okay? Um, okay, I'm just going to paste something into the chat box, okay? This is ChatGPT. If you haven't heard of it, it's changing the world. So you might want to get on board pretty quickly because it's going to save you hours and hours every day, especially once you're set up for it. Okay, so I've just pasted in here something that I've pre-written. Okay, and it basically just says, I want you to write me an ad for a lettings agency. The ad is for Rightmove. I want you to list each room with its size and then below put a description of each room. Then I want you to write the ad explaining how good the area is and how nice the house is. Blah 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 blah. And then I've put the room sizes. Okay, so these are the room sizes. Okay, and then I'm going to hit return and see what it does for us. Okay, luxurious living in the heart of St Albans. Step into the world of elegance and refinement with this exceptional 4-bedroom detached home. Perfectly situated, a stone's throw away from St Albans Station, offering a prestigious location, breathtaking park views, and a plethora of shops at your fingertips. This stunning property is a dream come true for those seeking a truly remarkable living experience. Bedroom 1, bedroom 2, with all the sizes, a little bit about the property. Okay, it's literally done it all for you. If you're not particularly happy with the style that it's written it in, you can change that really easily. So, for example, if it's literally done everything for you. You can ask it to take out emojis if you would like to. You could ask it to make it shorter if you'd like to. You could say make the house sound more modern. You could say make the house sound far older. It will literally do anything you want. You can give it tell it what character the house is set in, and it will write it based on that. Okay, but let's say you were marketing it towards a specific type of person. To start with, I'm just going to make it write it half as long because we don't want it. We don't want to wait for it. But okay, now write it for a gangster who loves power and money. So you need to make it appeal to that sort of type of person and make it half as long. Okay. Now it's going to rewrite it and use trigger points that will that will get a gangster going. Okay, so unleash your dominance and indulge in the epitome of luxury with this extraordinary 4-bedroom home, strategically positioned near in St Albans with an air of exclusivity. Sorry, and magnificent property caters to the most discerning gangsters, offering prestigious location and a multitude of opulent amenities. And there it goes. Okay. Now a Disney princess. Oh, there you go. Okay, so enchanting fairy tale living in St Albans. Embark on a magical and immersive journey in the wonder of the enchanting 4-bedroom detached home nested in the heart of St Albans. A true dream come true for any Disney princess. So it will literally write it in any sort of style. It will describe the property. Oh yeah, look. Bask in the warmth of the comfort. Remember we told it the living room had a fireplace where the cosy fireplace crackles with the magic of 1,000 dancing flames. It will write property descriptions way better than most agents will. Give it a lot more sort of character and depth in the way of writing. So it does a really good job at selling stuff and writing property descriptions, and it does it way quicker than we can do it. If I was you guys, I would just be saving a doc file or something with everything that we want to get into our property listing, and every time we just take a new property on, we just change the bits that we want. So like how many bedrooms, how big the rooms are, and then copy and paste that, bang it straight into ChatGPT, and let it write our property descriptions for us. and just remember to give it instructions, like write the headings of each room with its size, and then below it a description of the room, and it will write everything out for you. So hopefully that was of use to you, and it will come useful in the future for you. But I recommend you check it out, because you can write stuff so much faster with this. If you need to write blog posts for your website, anything like that, give it a shot. It's great. It may well take over the world and make us totally useless. It's coming sometime soon. So it's worth getting involved in it, because it's going to change the face of business. So keep on the ball. Speak soon. Take care.